Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2013 Nissan Juke and I will show you the fog lights fuse location. This video will apply to Nissan Jukes made from 2011 all the way up to 2017. Okay, so the fog lights fuse is actually located in a fuse box which is under the front hood, kind of hidden just behind the battery here. To access it, first you have to remove this plastic piece which is being held here by this clip and here. So all you have to do, first you have to unclip it here and then just lift it up on this side as well to get it loose, and then just remove it. And now you have full access to the fuse box which is down there. I hope you can see it because it's quite sunny outside. Now to open up this fuse box and get access to the fuses, you will have 4 tabs, 2 on each side. So you will have 2 tabs here, down here, and 2 tabs on the other side. I'll try to record it, but you'll have one here and one here. So all you have to do, you have to push on all 4 tabs to unlock them and then lift it up. Okay, I'll try to do that now one by one. Okay, got this side off, and the other side. This can be a bit tricky to do. Okay, and now what you have to do, you have to turn this cover upside down actually, because the fuses are on the back side of the cover. Yeah, it's a Nissan thing, but as you can see here, all the fuses are just in the back. And the fog lights fuse, it's a fuse number F10, which is a 15 amp blue fuse located right here in the middle of the fuse box. So I'll zoom it in actually so you can see it a bit better. Okay, so this is the fuse you want to check, blue 15 amp fuse. If this fuse is burnt out, just replace it and that should fix your fog lights. If the fuse is good, then you'll have to dig a bit deeper. First make sure that the fog lights light bulbs are good, and then you'll have to check all the wiring and electrical connections. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.